What's up, guys? I have not been vlogging very much. I have not been recording very much of what I've been doing, but I have gotten a few clips of different things I've done. Not so much vlogging, just taking some random videos. Here's some of those. Right. Bam. Man, amazing! We did it. Here. Really popular. Oh my god. There's that. Had a bit of fun. Right now, I would like to open a package I got from my father. He told me he made me a box, a keepsake box. Oh, that sounds good.
Wow.
Awesome. It's pretty cool.
It's really cool.
Thanks, Dad. Wow, crafty man.
Let's give it to baby.
Well, I told him I wanted to make me something that I could pass on to my kids, so...
Oh, so it's already baby's.
Well, it's gonna be mine until baby's older.
That's really cool.
He did more than just build the box. He actually harvested the lumber from his own property in Tennessee. So he cut down the pine and cedar trees, cut the woods, made all the bevels. He did every single thing here, cut the whole handle. That's just amazing. Wow. I'm impressed. Look at this bird. He's in shock right now. He just ran into our window.
Allowed this terrible situation to occur, but it's very different from what's going on today. We're talking about global jihadists who actually want to destroy us. They are an existential threat to our nation, and we have to be mature enough to recognize that our children will have no future if we put our heads in the sand.
Beetle's having a hard time staying on the window. He's just sliding down. It's funny. Wow, I'm so easily entertained. Right now, I am getting ready to have a few guys over for a barbecue. Little hangout, get together type thing. And of course, it starts pouring rain again. Unbelievable. I just can't catch a break. Look, pouring. Andrea is helping me make some brownies and what else are you making me, baby?
Potato salad.
She's making me potato salad. There's the brownies. And I'm going to roast some corn and probably just barbecue some burgers. Nothing too complicated. And then I'm kicking Andrea out.
You're not kicking me out.
Not really. I'm not kicking her out. She wants me to do this kind of stuff. She encourages it. I'm just going to give her like a couple $100. Maybe give her paycheck. Let her go spend it at the mall. You know?
The mall.
Where else?
We don't have a mall.
We have a mall.
Where?
There goes the sun. Oh, the pretty sun. Look at that. Wow. Oh, there it is. Come to Papa. You guys can hear the river again. There's Bill cleaning the pool.
No, it's a cute yawn. So I just got off work and we're at our doctor's appointment for an ultrasound. Call that doctor, maybe?
Yeah, it's not fun.
No.
It's a baby.
There we go.
Oh yeah, there's his profile.
Still got your.
Okay.
Let's move that a little bit.
Say hi to Andrea, everybody. Say hi, baby. Come on.
Hi.
Look at the baby. She's
Sure.
eating an orange. She's feeding our baby the orange.
Show our playpen how it was free.
Oh yeah, we got this thing.
Our house is missing.
We got this from Andrea's manager. We got it free. This is a $200 pack and play. See, I have another name of it. I don't know what a pack and play is, but
The net is over.
it looks like there's multiple seatings. One for one baby, one for the other baby, one for the third baby, maybe? I don't know. I've also been working pretty hard on my robot. Well, not too hard, but he's coming along. He's got a couple more motors in him. And hopefully one day he's robotic and can move around. See his head. I got a little ultrasonic sensor. It uses sonar to bounce sound off of objects, and it comes back to him to tell him how far that object is. And then I use that data to determine what I want my robot to do. cool chest there. He's got a, I don't know exactly how I want the hip to work, but I wanted him to be able to lean from side to side so he can put his weight onto one foot and then the next foot. We'll see how it all works when it comes together. I'm not in any hurry with this guy. It's kind of a really slow project.
The baby's right now.
Alistair, you gotta be, if you're too loud, you'll make the baby
Move
throw
my
up.
camera.
Wait, I'm trying to tell Alistair something. What happens if the baby throws up?
You will follow.
Alistair, what happens if the baby throws up?
That
in Drea's
means
tummy?
all four.
Yeah, we'll all throw up. Why? Because if the baby throws up, Andrea throws up.
And me too.
And then you throw up. And then...
Her foot up in her tummy. Oh, die.
No, she won't die. But if you're too loud, the baby will throw... You're taking my water, you little punk. Don't you have your own water? Hey, Alistair, out! Hey, put the water down, boy. Somebody showed me. This is Curran. Sebastian just ate it. Andrea and I are babysitting our pastor's kids. Oh, look at him. You just hugged the baby?
He wanted to hear the baby.
He said he can't stay out. Wait, you guys, let Alistair hear the baby. Alistair, go hear the baby.
How old are you?
Alistair, we're going to all be quiet so you can go hear it. Go listen. Alistair, go listen.
Look at his face.
Shh, everyone be quiet. Do you hear anything, Alistair? Do you hear anything? Not yet.
I want to hear.
It's not kicking or anything? Oh, the baby farted. What are we going to do now? You can put a video in?
I'm going to.
Sebastian, come on, man. I'm trying to talk to you.
Here.
Can you answer
What are you
me?
doing? You're my grandfather.
I'm your grandfather? I am very hungry. I'm very hungry for the little boy. Hey, where are you going? Oh, there's one.
Meow. Meow.
You look like you. Oh, are you dead cat? Is that what a dead cat looks like? Alistair. Where did Alistair go? Where's Alistair? I need something to drink. What are you doing in there? Come on, man, get out of there. Alistair, can you get out, please, and close the door? Thanks. Hold on to the reins. Hold on to the reins. We're watching the game and the Chargers are about to lose.